Hello and welcome to the Secrets of the Sacred. I hope you all are doing good, you're fine, you're healthy, you're feeling beautiful because you are beautiful. Okay, so today we are back with another general reading. Now, this is a general reading, this is not a pick a card, pick a pile, or anything of that sort. So, we'll read the general collective energies today and we will see what we can get through it. Okay, so if the current energies, I will explain the current energies to you. If it resonates, then take it. If it doesn't, don't have to force it. So because this is a general reading, so it's not necessarily gonna resonate with each and every one of you. All the information about me is down in the description box. We already have two cards here, that is the Ace of Swords and the King of Pentacles. Okay. What about them? Five of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. Okay, let us see. Um, what I'm getting here is that somebody cut somebody off in this situation. This can be you, this can be your person. Somebody had definitely cut somebody off because they were too busy with themselves. They did not feel like giving effort or fighting for a particular connection. And someone was left in the dark, someone was left alone without knowing what really happened. Because the person who was left alone had this feeling that the person that they are dealing with is someone special and someone who will stick around and someone who will be there for them forever. But that feeling was devastated when the other person just left the building, just like that, without clarity, without knowing what happened, without any sort of closure. Maybe the person who left was too busy building their own empire, too busy with their work, their career, their money, finances, yeah, and they left. Chariot in reverse. They had no other option. It felt like maybe somebody left to go get a job somewhere else, or someone left because they had to move abroad or move to another city. Now that can be the case for some of you, not every one of you, of course. King of Wands. So someone here was kind of in a fickle mindset. Someone here was very, this can be a person, let us assume that you were the one who was pretty grounded, you were the one who wanted this person to stick around forever, you were the one who wanted this relationship to be something stable, secure, and to have a foundation, basically. But the other person that you're dealing with, they are like too busy with themselves, thinking about themselves, thinking about their future. Yeah, Ace of Wands, thinking about their career, or it's always about themselves. That is the energy I'm getting, that they are someone when that it's always about themselves. It's not about you, it's not about your emotions, but what they want, what they dream of, what their goals are, what their feelings are. It's all about themselves, and they have a lot of passion, sexual attraction, physical attraction towards you. They think of you as someone who is beautiful, who has a great body, who is someone they can really show off, or they can be really really proud of. Basically, they are attracted to you, but they have this energy of not being committal. They have this energy of, yes, I like this person, yes, I am attracted to this person, yeah, they are nice and cool, but I have to think about myself first, and then anybody else, then this connection, then everything else, but first me. That was this person's energy. And they did not understand that their decision could actually hurt someone, or their decisions could actually change someone else's reality, especially when it comes to their partner. But they were unaware of this fact, or they never wanted this fact to be recognized, and they just did what they wanted to, basically. Okay, they just left because they felt that it was the best decision they could make at that point of time. Eight of Swords. So the person who is left behind, the person that is you maybe, is now stuck. You are feeling stuck, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to find peace, because you gave so much to this person, you gave so much attention, so much love, so much effort into this connection, and now it's like you cannot move on, and you cannot have this person at the same time. So you just don't know what to do. You just don't know. The lovers, you thought that this was some soul connection. You thought that this was your soulmate. You relied on them. You believed them. You thought that they would stick around. And now it's like, what do I do? How, what, when, where went wrong? You have no idea. You don't know what to do. Okay. It's just Two of Swords. Yes, you are confused. You are confused whether to stay, whether to go. King of Cups. You have a lot of emotions for this person. You have a lot of emotions, and you want this person to have the same emotions, the same thing for you as well. You want this person to change. You want this person to really understand, to really mature, to really understand what you're going through, and to really take action, take responsibility for their action. But this person is acting like someone who is immature, someone who is all about themselves, and that is messed up. Eight of Cups. So there was someone walking away just like that, without even bothering, without even looking back, and they thought that they were the wisest man on earth. They made the same, like the very, not the same, but the best decision. Judgment, yeah. So karma is gonna bite their ass. Don't worry. Don't worry. The person who left without even saying anything, without even giving you a closure, they think they can run, they think they can go hide somewhere, or they can be really proud of themselves, they can show their decisions off, and it doesn't matter, because the universe doesn't work like that. The universe isn't like partial. Okay, so what goes around comes around, and I think this person is not very aware of it. Empress. So it can be that this person was already married or was already in a relationship, but don't panic. If it is that, then you would have known it already. If you don't know about something like that, don't panic. It might not be your message. This can be the case that this person walked out because of the other person here, the third party here. If this is not a third party, then this can also be a motherly figure or somebody special in their, maybe their family had a problem with you, or someone around them has a problem with this relationship, so they thought, why not just walk away, just they walked away. And for some of you, this can be a third party. Okay, this can be. But if you are sure that it isn't, then it isn't. It isn't. Don't worry about it. So, what is their current emotions for you? Emperor. So we have the Empress, we have the Emperor. I'm getting this stubborn feeling, like they know they messed up. They really know they messed up, but it's like, yeah, Six of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and the Nine of Cups. They know now that they messed up, that things could have been different, they should have acted differently, they should have taken the chance when it was there. This Empress could also mean that you are working on yourself now, you are focused on yourself now, and this person sees that. Okay, so maybe you are posting pictures of yourself pretty fine and cool, or you are just naturally working on yourself, your vibrations are really high, or at least you are trying to. Okay, and if you are doing that, let me tell you, your person is noticing that, your person knows that, and they just look at you just like you looking all fine and everything, and they are like, damn, I messed up like real bad, and they want to make things right. Yeah, strength and the Two of Wands. They want to make things right, or they are just, it's like they are just confused, like they know they messed up, they know if they come back now that things can be different, things cannot be the same maybe, or you might not take them back, you might say things to them that is of course just to say, but they don't have that um, courage to really confront you right now, but they are seeing you looking good, looking all happy, and trying to move on, creating a healthy life for yourself. And if you're not doing that, if you're not like in that Empress mode yet, I would suggest that you become that Empress so that your person can really look at you. Okay, but for most of you, I think you're already working on yourself, and your person is seeing that. If they are not seeing that physically, like on social media or something, they are energetically feeling that your vibrations are very high right now, and that is like eating them away. They are now realizing, like, when I had the chance, I should have taken it. I shouldn't have acted all dumb and left and just felt good about it, and now like I'm sitting here regretting my choices, and that is causing them a lot of pain, let me tell you. They want to come forward because they see you as someone who has the ability to make them happy. They see you as some divine feminine energy, but they don't know how to come. They don't know how to approach you right now. They don't know what to say, what to do, how to act, how will you act. So there is like 100 questions in their mind. So what will be their actions? What will be the collective person's actions, possible actions? Ooh, tower. So this tower is gonna crumble down in their head. They gotta know what they did. They gotta know. And that will be devastating. That will be like, damn, that moment of realization, of sudden realizations, like, what did I do, what have I been thinking? King of Swords, they want action, they want to do something about it. They are not happy to sit there all alone. Nine of Wands, but they are feeling stuck. It's like, I want action, but I don't know how. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to approach, I don't know what where how what went wrong, because they know what went wrong, but they just don't know how to approach you now that you are looking beautiful, you're working on yourself, you're successful, you're like all good, and this person is, now what do I do? you know that is what happens if you take someone for granted, or if you just think about yourself all the time, dude. Like, that's not how the universe works, that's not how what you're supposed to do. You don't hurt someone like that, just ghost them and just walk away. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. So the divine is in your side, my viewers. Like, this person will have a hard time. The wheel will turn, time will turn. There was a time when they left you for nothing, just because they wanted to, just because they felt like, without closure, they devastated you. Your feelings were hurt, and now it's their time to feel the same. When you are all glowing up, you're all looking good, doing good, feeling good, They're gonna have to go through the same karma. Temperance. So I see you being this divine feminine energy right now or in the near future, where you are balancing out everything pretty fine. You are doing good, you're working on yourself, no matter how small things you do for yourself or how big things you do. But I see you progressing. I see you working on yourself, and that is amazing. That is what is making this person realize faster that what they did, how foolishly they act. Knight of Pentacles. This person is gonna contact you, but pretty slowly. Knight of Pentacles is someone who is not very fast with their action. I'm getting the feeling that this person will first come and then they will try to test the waters with you. They would just, send you a random thing or just ask you a meaningless question out of nowhere, and you're like, what, why are you asking me this? And they're like, yeah, just maybe something stupid like, my cat is sick, where do I take her? Something so stupid and random, and you're like, why are you asking me, or how do I know? And they're like, oh, okay, never mind. So they just want to test the waters here. Yeah, justice again. They are coming, but slow and steady and thinking and regretting, and they are in a mess, or they will be in a mess, I swear. If they just, yeah, the star. So they now see you as this star, as this ultimate, divine, Two of Cups, as this ultimate divine feminine. They now know, and they are coming. But first, they will not rush in. They will be very, very slow paced, and very slowly they will try to test the waters. They will see you from afar. They will keep tabs on you, or they will try to understand where you are right now, like where do you stand with them, and then they're gonna take some action. But for that to happen, this tower needs to fall on their head. Okay? But for the tower to fall, you need to work on yourself. Ooh, 10 of Cups. You need to work on yourself. You need to be this empress. Yeah? You need to be this empress first. Because what you give to yourself is what you attract. So if you are not healed properly, if you are not feeling positive about yourself, then you are not going to attract positivity in your life. Things will be miserable, and they will start getting miserable. So 4 of Wands in reverse. So if there is any kind of a distance between the two of you, like physical distance, emotional distance, I see this person trying to, come forward and close that distance between the two of you, you know so they don't want this distance in the future. They will not like this distance between the two of you. This can be any kind of a distance. You have the High Priestess, 3 of Pentacles. So yeah, they will work on this. Okay, so you don't have to worry. We have the 6 of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Wow. 5 of Cups in reverse. So yeah, this person is gonna come back to you with this ultimate realization of what the hell they did wrong. Like, when they left you, they were all chill, they were all cool, like, yeah, I'm taking the right decision, I don't care, it's all about me. But once they see you in this Empress mode, once this tower falls on their head, when they have this realization of what they lost, it's gonna make them go crazy for you. They will take their sweet time in coming back, but they will keep an eye on you, keep tabs on you. But for that, I suggest that you start working on yourself today if you want this person back. Or it's I never suggest to work on yourself because you want someone back. No, that is not the right thing, that is not the right approach. You work on yourself so that you become a better person. Okay, this person leaves you, left you, doesn't matter. You be fulfilled in what you are. You give positivity out to everyone you come in contact with, to the universe, to yourself, to everyone, and positivity will be returned to you. I promise you this. Okay? So that is what you have to do now. If you want this back, it's your free will though, but this person will come back. Okay? Don't worry. So I hope this resonated, and thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it, comment down below how it resonated or not. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.